My brother, it's not every tree that you see you cut down. There are some trees that you cut down, you reduce the quality of air that we breathe. There are some trees that you cut down, it will lead to erosion. Today is day 9 of me talking to the camera, and I'll be talking to you about forestry. What is forestry? Forestry is the science of managing forests sustainably. It's not just about cutting down trees. It's about protecting the entire ecosystem. Why does forest matter? Forest can help in the production of timber, paper, and even 25% of modern medicine now comes from rainforests. So why does forest matter? Forest gives us timber, it gives us paper, and even medicine. Yes, it gives us medicine. Over 25% of modern drugs now come from rainforest plants, and it does not just end there. Trees are nature's air purifier. That time when we were in primary school, they used to ask us, what do we breathe in? We say oxygen. What do we breathe out? We say carbon dioxide. Yes, the tree is taking the carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen. That's how we have purified air. And yes, forestry has types. There are 4 main types of forestry. We have the commercial forestry, which involves timber production and paper production. Then we have urban forestry, which involves the planting of trees in order to have purified air in urban areas. Then we also have agroforestry. Agroforestry is the planting of trees alongside crops in order to have a nice and wonderful soil for your crops to grow. And that's where farmers come in. We also have conservation forestry, which involves the protection of ecosystem and endangered species. Do you know that forests are climate superheroes? Yes, deforestation can lead to climate change, erosion, and even flooding. What then is deforestation? Deforestation is the act of cutting down forests, which can be very, very dangerous. It can reduce the quality of air we breathe. Why? I understand that some places are overheated. Why? Because there are no trees around. But there is hope. This hope is what? Reforestation. Even a country like Costa Rica went from 21% to over 50% of forest covers in 30 years because they are replanting forests. I know some people are wondering, how then can I make money from forestry? There is timber production. There is paper production. There is even medicinal plant production, right? But if you are somebody that does not have access to forest, you can go into agroforestry. That part that you have to plant trees along with crops, those trees now help purify the soil for your plants to grow well. You can even go into honey production. And if you were planning deforestation, please stop. If the climate matters to you, if the quality of air matters to you, plant more trees today. See you on the 10th.